The ability to fly is an incredible one, allowing animals to travel long distances, hunt prey, and escape from predators. But not all flying animals have wings. Take this guy, for example. What is he? Well, after 2.5 million years of evolution, this modern-day flying squirrel can jump over 30 meters from tree to tree using a special membrane of skin called a patagium that stretches between its limbs. This, combined with its bushy tail for steering and its big eyes for spotting predators, allows it to glide effortlessly through the skies. Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be exploring flying without wings. Flying is amazing. It allows animals to do things they couldn't do if they were stuck on the ground. And over the past few 100 million years, lots of very different animals have evolved the ability to fly. But how does it work? Well, many animals have wings, of course, like birds, bats, and most insects. But as we saw at the beginning, some don't. One of the most famous wingless flyers is the flying fish. Flying fish can leap up to 60 meters through the air, but they don't use their fins to fly. They instead use their tails. By whipping their tails side to side really fast, they get themselves airborne. Their bodies are also really streamlined, so they can get through the air more easily. But there are even weirder ways to fly. Take this guy. What is he? Well, this strange creature uses its webbed feet to steer while gliding through the air, much like a bird. But it doesn't have wings or feathers, so how does it fly? Well, it flaps its arms really fast, reaching up to 180 flaps a minute. Its long, slender fingers help it catch thermals, just like a hang glider. And because it has no fur, it's also no match for predators. Some animals aren't great at flying, but they are great at hiding. Take a look at this mantis. What do you think? Well, this is a ghost mantis. See-through. You probably didn't spot it straight away because of its see-through wings, which act like a sheet of glass bending the light that hits them. But when you look closely, you'll notice that its body is also almost transparent. That's because this little mantis has very few, if any, pigment cells. Most animals' bodies have pigment cells called chromatophores, which contain colored sacs full of pigments like reds, yellows, and blues. By controlling these cells, animals can change color like chameleons. But without any chromatophores, this mantis has no way to make itself colorful. Instead, it's almost completely see-through, which helps it hide from predators. But being see-through isn't the only way to hide. Take a look at this fox. What do you think? Well, this is an Arctic fox. Its fur is made up of 2 layers. The top layer is made of long guard hairs that stick up, and the bottom layer is made of short, soft fur. The guard hairs are hollow and colorless, meaning light just passes straight through them. The light then gets scattered by the short fur, making the fox look gray and white, much like a snowy landscape. This is called disruptive coloration, and it breaks up the fox's outline, making it harder for predators to see. Disruptive coloration is a type of camouflage, but there are many others. It's able to change color really quickly because it has special color-changing cells called chromatophores in its skin. These cells allow the cuttlefish to blend into its surroundings almost instantly. It can either hide from predators or sneak up on unsuspecting prey. Camouflage isn't the only thing animals use to hide. Some animals mimic other animals to avoid predators. Take a look at this stonefish. It's covered in hard spines, and these spines have tiny holes in them. The holes allow water to flow over the stonefish's body, mimicking the movement of a leaf floating in the current. It also has a big leaf-like dorsal fin that sways from side to side, further convincing any nearby fish that it's just a harmless piece of debris. Being a master of disguise means you can pretend to be something you're not. Take a look at this orchid mantis. It looks like a harmless flower, but it's actually a fearsome predator. Its forelegs are covered in long, thin spines that feel like pollen to insects landing on them. Once the insect tries to crawl away, the mantis grabs onto it with its spiky legs and devours it. Many animals use mimicry to fool their prey. Take a look at this anglerfish. Its dorsal fin has a special bioluminescent lure on it that dangles in front of its mouth. Small fish often swim right into its open mouth. Mimicry can also be aggressive. Take a look at this crab. It looks like a harmless crab, but it's actually a killer. It lures in crabs and shrimps using its bright blue shell, which mimics the glow of a jellyfish. The mimic then stabs its prey with its large front claw before devouring it whole. So we can see that lots of animals use different strategies to survive. Whether they have wings or not, flying without wings is an amazing feat, but so is staying hidden on the ground. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more nature documentaries.